Have you ever wondered where our ideas about justice actually come from? Most people might point to ancient Greece or Rome, and they're not wrong. But there's a much older, deeper root that has profoundly shaped our modern legal systems, the Bible. It might sound surprising, but many of the core principles we hold dear today have their origins in its ancient texts. Let's start with one of the most fundamental ideas, equality before the law. The book of Leviticus states, "You shall have the same rule for the sojourner and for the native." This was a revolutionary concept in a world where your status, wealth, or nationality determined your rights. The idea that everyone, rich or poor, citizen or foreigner, should be judged by the same standard is a cornerstone of modern justice, and its roots are right there. Then there's the principle of due process. The Bible insists on fairness in legal proceedings. For instance, Deuteronomy talks about the need for multiple witnesses to convict someone of a crime, saying a single witness is not enough. This protects people from false accusations and ensures a more reliable path to the truth. This concept is a direct ancestor of our modern requirements for evidence and corroboration in court. Another key concept is proportionality in punishment, famously summed up as an eye for an eye. Now, this might sound harsh to us today, but in its original context, it was a radical step forward. It wasn't about vengeance, it was about limitation. It meant the punishment should fit the crime, not exceed it. Before this, it was common for a minor offense to be met with a disproportionately brutal penalty. This principle established a sense of balance and fairness that still influences our sentencing guidelines. Finally, the Bible introduced a powerful emphasis on social justice, particularly the protection of the vulnerable. There are countless passages calling for the care of widows, orphans, and the poor. The law wasn't just about punishing wrongdoing. It was also about creating a just society that actively looked after its most defenseless members. This idea that the law should have a moral compass and serve the common good is a powerful biblical legacy. So, while our legal systems have evolved over millennia, drawing from many sources, the ethical and moral framework laid out in the Bible has been incredibly influential. From equality and due process to proportional punishment and social responsibility, these ancient ideas continue to resonate in our courtrooms and legal codes today. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the roots of our modern world.